In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today we're going to talk about something which a lot of you have been asking us to talk about, and I thought I'd let Anand explain the reasons behind why penny stocks may not be such a smart idea to invest into. What do you say, Anand?
No, penny stocks mean definitely not a great idea to invest because it's like lottery, it's gambling. There is one particular polymer stock which we wanted to discuss.
Yes, polyester iron maker Raj Rayon Industries,
Okay, you wouldn't
which
have
is
even
from
heard
being
of it.
worth 20 paise per share 5 years ago is now at 42,
Okay,
giving a
so
return, one
first,
second, of 19,000%. So
yeah,
that's what we're talking about.
yeah. So now 20 paisa per share, you won't know what is going to happen,
Correct.
right? It was a loss making. It was in serious trouble. And what happens is when you go from 20 to 1 rupee, most of them would have exited
Exited, yes.
because you have made 5 times the money.
Very true.
So, except the promoter, I don't think anybody has held from 20 to
42.
42. When you look back, rear view, rear view
Mirror,
mirror,
yes.
this looks very great.
Correct.
This is wrong psychology because what happens is because you can buy a lot of stocks, people do this. This is like gambling in a
Street gambling.
race course,
Correct.
race horse.
Correct.
There is absolutely no scientific method to say which horse is winning. Of course, you can look at all the horses and say this is the favorite will win. But if the favorite wins, you will not make money
Correct. Because everyone's betting on the favorite.
because everybody is betting on the favorite.
Correct.
It's only when the 100 to 1 or 66 to 1 wins,
Correct.
something like that.
The outlier.
The outlier wins. Like, why I said 66 to win 83 World Cup, nobody thought India would win, and India won. These are something which happens very remarkably.
I remember that
Like,
other story you told me about that guy betting on Boris Becker.
yeah,
Remember?
yeah. In 15 to win Wimbledon.
Correct.
This you have few money to throw around, you want to play, you gamble.
True.
It is Leicester City winning an important cup in UK.
Correct.
It happened some time back.
Yeah, let's just correct it.
Yeah. Now, these are improbable events. And you don't know whether it is Raj polyester
Yeah, Raj Rayon Industries.
or some other industry which is some other stock.
True.
So what happens is you are throwing darts on the board.
True.
So you pick 1,000 stocks
True.
or you buy all stocks trading below 1 rupee.
True.
Then and you have to hold for 5 years. And most of these profits have come in this last quarter.
True.
After a lot of quarters of losses, it has shown 1 quarter of profit.
Very true.
So this is something very crazy. And there are a lot of penny stocks which have more than 20% retail holding.
True.
What will happen is if the promoter holds a major amount of share and a small outstanding, then the retail investor pushes up the price by
By the
creating demand.
demand, yes. It's not a really
These are companies with very low,
correct. What that article
low
says
key,
is,
very low
further
key.
analysis in that he says is, if you see majority of it, there's given over 5 years has given a return as close to a little less than Nifty index return or slightly higher, and that's like 1/3 of the penny stocks, and the remaining, most of them have even been delisted.
It's exactly I'm saying. So 30% has given you Nifty returns and 70% have been delisted and have lost money.
Correct.
It's like picking up a needle on a
Needle stack, actually, not even a haystack.
haystack.
It's like picking
But
an
even picking the correct needle from the needle stack
correct,
is extremely difficult
next to impossible. Yes,
because all the fundamentals are against you.
true,
And most of these penny stocks are great stocks. That is, these are normally stocks of large companies which have gone bankrupt,
true,
or there are small cap stocks where the promoter is milking the company at the expense of the retail investor.
very true.
Now, when I look at this, when I'm reminded of this, because when I go through a demat statement,
Hmm.
I will know in 90s which stocks were the penny stocks.
Correct,
Harshad Mehta, what was the penny stock?
correct,
2008, what is the penny stock?
correct,
And what is the penny stock today?
correct,
So, if you are looking at the 80s, the penny stock was Karnataka Ball Bearings and Mazda Leasing
very true.
because Harshad was buying,
Yes,
right? If I look at 2008,
hmm.
it is Nagarjuna Construction,
Hmm.
Suslan, Punj Lloyd,
Hmm.
Praj Industries.
Hmm.
These are the companies which was floating around.
Correct,
You had one Kingfisher Airlines because people thought somehow Vijay Mallya would
bounce it around.
bounce it back. And for every one company like this,
Correct,
a perfectly sound fundamental company like Syntex
correct,
went bust because the promoter took too much debt
correct,
and he destroyed the company.
correct.
So both are a knife can cut both ways.
Very true. The article it even talks about Vodafone, which is currently heavily debted, and it's facing
Vodafone is now going to become a government company,
correct.
right?
Yes,
So this is like playing blackjack or teen patta in Hindi,
yeah,
teen
three card.
patta,
Yeah,
3 card game, and or running in front of an electric train to snatch money.
correct.
There is nothing scientific about it, but I have seen perfectly intelligent people
Getting lured.
getting lured into it because they think they can make huge money.
It's as good as buying those lottery tickets, those Powerball.
Exactly. Now, this is if we had told somebody, he wouldn't have made money on this. He would have said, I bought 10,000 shares at 20 rupees,
Correct,
20 paisa. Even at 1 rupee, I would have made 20,000 rupees. I would have bought 20,000 shares.
correct,
So, for 5 shares for 1 rupee means 5 into 20,000, I would have bought 1 lakh.
correct,
Now I will have 42 lakhs.
correct.
But you don't realize if the company had delisted, you would have lost 1 lakh.
Yes. And
So
the
this
amount
is,
of penny stocks there, you have to substantially sink enough capital for you to see these fabulous returns.
yes, see, if I have to sink 1 lakh, and if there are 500 companies, suppose they say I picked up 100 companies,
True,
I put 1 crore,
true,
right? I
true,
put 1 lakh in all 100 companies.
correct,
Let me assume that Raj Polymers was there.
true,
My 1 lakh would have given me only 42 lakhs.
correct,
If I lost money, I have to make a further 58 lakhs
correct. To
in the
recover,
other 99 companies to recover my cost.
even if you take 30%, have not delisted, only 70 lakhs is washed off,
Uh,
and you only get one Raj polymer in it. The remaining will not,
58 lakhs I've
it's only
lost.
giving you returns at the level of Nifty index.
I'm not going to make money.
Yes, you lose.
You lose.
That
But
doesn't include the cost of that 1 crore.
yeah. So now, if I invest that 1 crore in a bond,
Correct,
I make 9 or 10 lakhs.
correct,
And if I pick stocks like ITC, which
correct,
plenty are there, which I have demonstrated here,
correct.
you would have made a lot more profits.
Just like what Warren Buffett says, the simple and logical investing may not look sexy,
It's
and
not. It doesn't look interesting.
yeah,
It's not sexy.
yeah,
It doesn't catch the eyeball.
correct,
But this is an extraordinary. This looks great.
correct,
And the media peddles this and lures unintelligent retail investors to get into it.
correct,
Raj Polymers is not a buy according to me.
correct. I agree.
Okay. And this is absolute crazy behavior. This happens, I've seen across. The
Correct,
Wolf of Wall Street is based on this
correct. Pump and dump.
pump and dump.
Yeah,
And people get sucked into it.
correct.
Anyway, I hope people
Understand why.
understand why I am saying what I am saying and avoid this completely. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this content, hit the like button for this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.